Divide using square sharing.
Oh, square sharing. That sounds fun. How does it work?
Great question. But first, can you tell me your favorite fruit and your favorite animal?
I like strawberries and cats.
Perfect. So today, all of our questions will be about how the cats share strawberries with each other. Let's start with this one. 8 divided by 2. Do you know what that means?
Well, does that mean we have 8 strawberries to share between 2 cats? We need to find out how many strawberries each cat gets.
Exactly, Greenie.
But now I need to draw 2 cats and the strawberries. That sounds a bit hard. I'm not sure how to do that.
Oh, don't worry. Let's make it simple. I'll draw 2 squares for our 2 cats. Just imagine each square is a cat. For the strawberries, let's use little dots. So now we're going to give the strawberries to each cat. And here's the little trick for this step. One at a time.
Can you show me?
All right. So, this is how we do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All done. Now, let's look at each square. It will tell you how many strawberries each cat has.
Oh, so 4.
That's right. Each cat gets 4 strawberries, which means the answer is 4.
This is so cool. Can we do another one?
Absolutely. This time, let's try 12 divided by 3. So, we have 12 strawberries to share between 3 cats. Ready?
Ready! So first, we draw 3 squares for our 3 cats, right?
Yep, you got it.
Then, we'll share the strawberries, one at a time, until we run out.
Great idea, Greenie. Can you show me how you do it?
Okay. One at a time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. All done.
Nice job. Now, what's next?
We just count how many dots are in one square.
Perfect. So, how many dots are there?
4 in each square. That means the answer is 4.
Awesome work, Greenie. You're really getting it. Now it's time to try some on your own. Questions will pop up, and you can take your time to work them out. Just say your answer when you find it.
Got it! It's 5.
Nice work. Next one, 10 divided by 5.
It's 2.
Bingo. Next up, 9 divided by 3. Perfect. Last one, 20 divided by 4.
It's 5.
Well done. Now, before we say goodbye, Can you tell me something you enjoyed about today?
I loved learning how to do division using squares. It's super easy with just 3 steps. Draw squares for the second number. Share the first number, 1 by 1. Count the dots in one square. And that's your answer.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it. Next time, we'll try a new way to divide by circling. See you soon.
Hi everyone! How did you do with division today? I hope you had a fantastic time. More division fun is waiting for us. See you soon!